Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Severe heatwave conditions have consumed north and central Queensland and patience is pushing closer to the limit each day. The worst part is there's no light at the end of the tunnel, nothing in our crystal ball to suggest it might be over soon. Today's temperatures were typically 3 to 5 degrees above the March average and last night was especially torturous, but it's the persistence that's killing us more than the numbers. On the satellite loop now, firstly in the tropics we've seen repeat activity every day with the storms, just compact ones getting going on the hills, mostly west of the coast and then gradually heading eastward. There hasn't been much in the way of rainfalls. In the southeast though, we're starting to see the first signs of those severe storms getting going over the southeast inland. More about that in a moment. Today's chart now, firstly you've got that same open pressure pattern, the lack of the high in the Tasman Sea that we're supposed to have at this time of year and hence no cooling trade winds, so intensely hot and humid basically statewide, but especially in the north and central areas. Tomorrow's chart. Here's the problem. The low that's caused all the rain in the southeast starts moving back to the New South Wales coast and it pulls the trough right on top of the coast again. So more severe thunderstorms affecting southeast Queensland, east to the range and right up to Fraser Island. And then on the outlook chart, again it's the same, even more intense. This trough lines up now with an upper low that's intensifying over southeast Queensland. Short, sharp storms, hopefully no intense rainfall, continuing heat in the tropics. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters, northwest to northeast winds reaching 25 knots tomorrow, same again on Friday, and on Saturday northerlies at 15 to 20 knots. Late morning high tide tomorrow and it's an especially big one right on new moon. Be extra careful of fierce currents as the tide rapidly falls after lunch. Central Coast and Whitsunday's outside chance of an afternoon storm. Mackay 25 tonight. 35 tomorrow, 34 for Bowen and Proserpine 36 degrees. Central Highlands and Coalfields, afternoon storms in the southeast with a very high fire danger, a top of 42 for Emerald, Claremont and Moranbah. Looking ahead for Mackay, no significant rainfall until next week and it won't quell the heat wave anyway. Tops in the mid-30s persisting for several more days with nights up to 5 degrees warmer than average. Monash University have kindly sent me a summary of the trend in summer daytime temperatures for our main provincial cities since the 1970s. Some places have warmed by almost 2 degrees, others a little less, but importantly, nobody's getting any cooler. Thanks Monash and thank you all. Have a nice evening and now it's back to the team.
Liv, thank you very much, mate. As always, nice having you company. We'll catch you tomorrow night and a reminder, anything you'd like to watch again, you can find it on our 7plus app or our page 7news.com.au. Take care. Good night.